Okay, everyone, welcome to another wonderful episode here at Doctors of Podiatry. Young gentleman has presented to our office for the first time today with a chief complaint of very thick, painful, discolored nail plates of both great toes, which the patient, get a hold of this, 53 years he's been battling this problem.
Very true. From the time I was 12 or 13 years old, I lost that playing or being on a bicycle.
So, even at his age, he was telling me that he's just not happy with the appearance.
Appearance, yes.
When you go to the pool
or to the beach, I feel ashamed that I have it like that. So I wear sneakers.
So what we're going to try to do today is basically just simply reduce the appearance, make it better, so we can get him a little bit more comfortable.
Yeah.
Okay,
exactly.
So without further ado, let's get to work.
Okay, so again, we have 2 nail plates, severely dystrophic. You can see the side view there, Caesar. It's kind of like a ramp. Historically, these are the ram's horns. This is what they call the ram's horns. So, what we're going to go ahead and do is basically just... Oh, watch out there, Caesar. We're going to just basically remodel. You okay there, my friend?
Mm-hmm. I could tolerate anything.
And we're going to try to reduce as much as we can. Within reason, of course.
When you become a senior citizen, it's better to go to a professional to cut the nails.
I agree.
Because sometimes you cannot bend over,
We did apply a little bit of the... Caesar was what, 3-week?
Yes.
Just a softener. And that really helps.
It looks much better already.
It does. Just trying to remodel the nail to look aesthetically pleasing. So when we use the Dremel, we already have that foundation, so to speak, that template. And I just tend to just pick at it very carefully because I know that sometimes, as we know, the nail bed may be right underneath, right? We don't want to harm the nail bed. I like to take this part down here. Let's save it like that and we'll come back.
30 years I was wearing heavy with the steel toe.
Yeah. That might have been
Summertime.
I can only imagine. These are...
And they're heavy. They're like 20 pounds almost.
What the patient has been battling for a very long time: severe incurvation of the nail plate, ingrown toenails, chronic ingrown toenails. You guys can clearly see. Oh.
And it's extremely painful.
You see, look at over here, Caesar, from the top. Even over here. You know, and the nail bed is right underneath. Okay. Looks like there was a little bit of blood maybe here at one point.
Oh yeah.
Yeah? Yeah.
When I used to cut it,
Right here.
99% of the time it was bleeding.
It would bleed?
Yeah.
Well, you don't have to do that anymore. You'll be seeing us here every couple of months, you know?
Maybe every, yeah, I told the gentleman, if I could come, you take care of my, you know, I cannot do it no more.
See, very close there. Let's go ahead and use a drummer. Trying to do is take it down as much as we can, not harming the nail bed. Okay. I really like this Dremel. This sander works really well. A lot of surface area. Gets the job done.
After 52 years, my toe is reborn.
Yep, a reborn toe.
Reborn, yeah, it is.
Right before your eyes, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Do a little bit here. Just like surgery.
Yeah.
perfection. I like it. Get this little. Okay, we're all set. We're all done.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you.
Let's take a look here, Caesar. You know, this should, simply by reducing these ram's horn, bringing them down, right? There's going to be a significant amount of pain relief.
Yes.
Even there.
Yeah. That nail, when I used to touch, once in a while, it gives you like a stabbing or electric shock,
A lot of people battle the notorious, infamous ram's horn.
Yeah.
Toenails. Where we see them quite a bit is obviously the big toes. But the good news, you have found a solution after 53 years.
Absolutely. And I thank you.
Oh, you're very welcome. So, I think that it's really, really important. This patient is otherwise healthy, no diabetes, no comorbidities, really healthy. And even, he said something very, very important at the beginning of this conversation, which is, I guess you need to know your limitations, right?
Mm-hmm.
To be able to have someone do what?
To save my toes.
Right, to help.
And you need the right
Tools.
doctor and the tools.
So it's really, really important, to know that, if for whatever reason you can't get to your feet, there are podiatrists or other subspecialties here to help. Okay.
From now on, every 60 days or whatever,
Yeah.
I will come here.
And
to have a healthy feet, I will come to see you.
super. And last but not least, he dodged already several bullets. We saw some here and there, blood, dry blood. So he already tried, no success.
No success.
So now it's our turn.
Thank
Okay. So, we will continue to do what we do, educate the world that these clinical presentations do exist and long-term solutions, of course. Thank you very much for
Thank you,
allowing
Dan.
us to be able to record, this video for all the people out there. Caesar, as always, thank you very much.
My pleasure.
And for all the people out there, that are watching this video, if you haven't already, boom, subscribe to our channel. Very important. We have all these other social media platforms aside from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Jaws Podiatry, and tell family members, right? Tell the world that, hey, you want to learn a thing or two, check out Jaws Podiatry. Okay.
And take care of your feet, because it's very, very sensitive area. You can get infections, you might not walk right. Take care of it. Thank you, Doc.
You're very welcome, my friend. As always, thank you for watching.